Hopping straight in the tutorial, I'm going to start with my Got2b Guardian Angel Heat Protectant Spray. I'm going to be spraying this all over my hair, making sure that my hair is safely protected against the heat that I'm going to be using. Make sure that you get your ends. You will see towards the end I'm going to be targeting my ends in particular, and you want to make sure that your ends are coated. And for my straightener, I'm going to be using the Safeway straightener that I got from Clicks a few years ago. I'm not sure if it's available, but I will be linking it down below. The heat goes up to about 210 degrees, and I'm going to be setting it to 180 degrees. The back and the one side of my hair is already done. It would be hard to show you guys what I'm doing using the bag, so I'm just going to use the front side. I'm going to use my rat tail comb to pick a section of hair, and then I'm going to use my hands to divide my hair into smaller sections. Now, the smaller sections that you work with, the more straight your hair will be. However, the more heat that will be put on your hair as you are working with smaller sections. So the smaller strands, more strands will get heat. I hope that makes sense. But basically, that's what I do. So I'm then going to pick another section of hair using my hands. So for the first time, I'm going to run the straightener with no comb, and then I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to use the chasing method. So normally I only try to go through my hair twice, but sometimes, as you can see, sometimes I'm a little bit stubborn with it. I do a few more runs than I'm supposed to. Normally 2 is like the max. I try to keep to 2, but if I miss a certain spot, I will go at it again. Not advised once again, but I have to be honest about what I do. By the way, you might want to stay tuned till the end to see my game-changing tip on how to minimize flyaways when you've straightened your hair. So you might want to stay tuned up until the end to see exactly what I use and how I make sure that I minimize the flyaways in my hair. I'm just gonna let you guys continue watching, but it's very, very easy. So for that game-changing tip that I promised you, I basically like to use Got2b Glued spray. So I spray that onto my hands and then put it on my parting, and that will help to make sure that there are no flyaways and there's no hair hanging up or doing its own thing. It helps to tame my hair. This is the final look. This is how my hair looks when it has been straightened. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've missed some of my uploads, I did post my wash day and how I blow dry my hair, so you might want to check out those if you found this one helpful. And thank you guys so much. Before you leave, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.